30 minutes plank every day sounds simple, but the impact on your body is massive. Every second you hold a plank, your core fires up, your shoulders activate, and your entire body learns to stay strong under pressure. This is not just an exercise, this is full body conditioning. When you plank for 30 minutes daily, your core strength goes to the next level, your spine becomes more stable, your posture becomes cleaner, and back pain begins to fade. Your metabolism rises because planks activate multiple muscle groups at the same time. More active muscles means more calories burned throughout the day. With daily plank training, your balance improves, your waist becomes tighter, and the muscles around your stomach become stronger and more defined. Your body learns discipline, focus, and endurance. 30 minutes of planking is not easy, but this consistency turns into real results. Your arms, your shoulders, your abs, your legs, everything becomes stronger, leaner, and more controlled. This simple routine builds real physical power and mental toughness. Do it every day and your body will feel the difference. This is the strength that grows from commitment. This is the transformation that comes from daily effort.